Hi there from Cult Pens HQ. We're talking Toyo Steel today. Amazing boxes, toolboxes, created from folding one piece of steel. Our Toyo Steel journey started with this one, and then we liked it so much, and you liked it so much, that we added this one. And then the family has continued to grow to this lovely little one that has cute little dimples, which means this lovely little one sits perfectly on top and doesn't rattle. To adding another little one, to then going large and adding a suitcase for all your pen paraphernalia.